In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit app lock and hit gray switcher next to app lock feature at the top. Following that, select settings in the pop-up to set up your privacy password that you will use to lock your apps. Hit use a different password type and click on one of those to apply the best one for you. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Wherever you decided when you're ready, create your privacy password and repeat it to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case and hit confirm. Tap on question and set up your security question as well. You can answer this one and hit done. If you don't like it, you can click on it, pick one of those, answer and hit done as well. And if you don't like any of those questions after tapping on it, select custom question at the bottom and create your own. Hit confirm, answer it correctly below, and finally select done. To lock any app, tap on gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and check it out, icons that app lock is required. If you want to disable app lock from any of those apps, go back to the same settings. Enter your privacy password after choosing app lock. Click on locked section over here and tap on blue switcher next to your app. To disable app lock completely on your device, use blue switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!